In this video, I will show you how to restrict editing of PDF file. Open PDF file. You can see this PDF file has been opened. Click on Tool. Click on Edit. Click on Open. You can see this PDF file is now editable. Let's change this word. Let it be weird. Click on Close. Click on Save. Close this window. Click on the file to open again. You can see it has been changed into beer. Now to restrict editing, click on Tool, click on down arrow, click on Open. Just tick this option, Restrict Editing. It is asking for password. Let it be RAM12. Let it be RAM12. First is the permission password and second is asking for confirmation of this password. Click on OK. Now a dialog box will appear. Restrict PDF editing is applicable only you save the document. Otherwise it is not be available. And also you can change the security setting before you close the document. Click on OK. So click here to save. Otherwise restrict PDF editing will not be applicable in this document. Then click on close. Then click on close. Now click on the file to open. Then click on tools and click on down arrow. Then click on open. You can see it is asking for password before editing. So without giving password, we won't be able to edit. So let give me password RAM12. Click on OK. Then click on this to edit BAGH. Then click on save. Then click on close and close this window. Then click on this file to open again. You can see it has been bag again. Earlier it was beer. In this way you can restrict editing of any PDF file as you wish.